rebound, quick outlet, runners on the corners.
8 to shoot para sa Phone Pals. Here's McGee. And he gets hammered inside. And extra motion there on the part of McGee. Phone Pals getting frustrated here because, you know, they've already squandered a big 17-point lead.
And especially if you're Aaron McGee, your jump shot from about 6 feet out just doesn't want to go in. Ito yung ginagawa niya kanina. Dito siya successful, being able to attack. Hard foul on the part of Enrico Villanueva. Extra motion on the part of Aaron McGee.
Well, our officials are sorting things out. Hinihintay natin ng official announcement dito.
Foul on number 14, Enrico Villanueva. That's the second foul. Juan Rodriguez. Technical foul on Aaron McGee for second motion.
So as expected, tinawagan ng personal foul si Enrico Villanueva, his second. At tinawagan ng technical foul si Aaron McGee for his second motion. And McGee and Villanueva, nagpapalitan pa rin ng maanghang na salita.
Of course, Talk 'N Text gives up that 1 point on one side kay Kirby Raimundo because of that free throw. But at least if you're Coach Shot Reyes, you're looking at your team, they're showing some fight. Alam nga natin, napakalaki ng kalamangan kanina. 17, ngayon, umabot na ng 6. But at least Aaron McGee, he's like, I'm not going to take this from this Pure Foods team.
Although someone probably should tell McGee, you know, he's not the raging bull for nothing. Roger Yap sits down and Chico Laneta is back on the court. Pasok ang dalawang free throw for the Talk 'N Text import. Nearing the halfway mark of the third quarter. You know, kung siguro nalingat kayo't kanina nakita nyo lamang na lamang itong Talk 'N Text, baka magulat kayo, lamang na itong Pure Foods. Still up by 2 despite that basket by Cardona.
But this will be a critical period para sa Pure Foods. Reda Ralimi is on the bench, James Yap is on the bench, and you look at the lineup of Talk 'N Text, they're playing with their best available 5.
And Simon was caught dancing to the wrong song. Timeout muna ang Talk 'N Text dito. 5:44 to go in the third quarter.